Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga.
Omwamaliriza omukolo. Abantu batera okugamba nti abagole bamaliriza emikolo they get problems. Mwe mwafunayo ebizibu byonna?
After mikolo, ebizibu tebyewalirikika. That's the fact.
Yes.
Naye ebizibu mubyewala mutya how do you overcome them? That's the biggest milestone that you have to achieve.
Yes.
Kubanga mu bulijjo tuli bantu banjawulo from different backgrounds, and you have to blend it to each other.
Yes.
That you come together. You have humility.
Yes.
Mwino kwesigagana, mwino okuwa munno ekitiibwa.
Yes.
That's the greatest thing. You have to respect each other.
Yes,
and then communication is the key. Yeah, you have to communicate to each other frequently, and then we identify each one's likes and dislikes.
Yes.
Though we try to hold matrimony, we have been together.
Mwali mubadeko
Yeah,
mukawundo kakubye Denise.
Akakawundo. Nitwakavaamu. Yes, twakavaamu. Yeah, that's the greatest opportunity. Yes. So I tell you outside there, anti towesalya musango kya anti oba oli mukawundo kakubye Denise, nekyo ino kola anti mwino kwa okwetegeera, and then you renew your marriage. Yes. Because that is the holy way to go.
Yes.
Yeah. After doing that, God will open ways where it seems to be no way. And love is how you two take it to be.
Yes.
When we start take our life here over social media, that's how it will be driven.
Yes.
If you decide to put it private, that's how it will be driven. So you have to make sure that you protect each other. That's the greatest thing. And you have to love each other. Wedding doesn't mean that
Yes.
you have to have your love life every now and then. You have to renew your life, and you have to renew your marriage. Because the moment you don't renew your love, you fade off.
Yes. Let me tell you, nze munsanyusiza bwe muvuddeyo nga mwesaze kino mwambadde sneakers. Okitegedde nawe yemukako mwena tulabe kwegamba mulabise bulungi. A person can just see you nalaba nti mulimu obulamu.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is we.
Okitegedde the cargo girls.
Yeah.
Mugambe me and you forever.
Me and you forever.
That is so good.
You show them the back. Show them your back. Yeah, you see?
Proverbs 18:22. Etegeeza ki?
Chicho. Let's omere.
Yes.
He who
finds a wife finds a good thing. Katulabe mabegawo. Proverbs 18:22. Oli afuna
and
omukyala.
obtains favor from God. So my husband is favored because he found me.
That is so good.
Yeah.
That is so good.
Chimeno Gabi manji, gabadi manji, kwanzije kuluzi. Love jumpa jinjagala kuwenga mukwano, mukwano, idalo.
I've been watching you, I've been watching. There's no stopping through, there's no stopping. It's forever vibes, it's a rock thing. Arrested for life, but not a cop thing. I need you at my shows, not a drop thing. You like real music, not a pop thing. There's only one who put me on a lock thing. Might get a boutique or a shop thing. Campus Twale Muruwaka, might not meet my father, but baby what the haba is from here to Malapa. This love has no bother, I'm a lamb to the slaughter. I put it on the line to see what color. Holla, holla.
Before nga temunakola holy matrimony, mwali mubadde mwenna emyaka emeka egyakawondoka ku byeddirisa?
Ene obulamu bwaffe we bwatandikira nze n'omwami wange nze nali nkyasoma nga ndi mu nursing school. For him was already working, but we tried to some America first placement nga nkyali nakajeninga ni mu semester 1 twagenda for practical mu Busoga. He was working in Kamuli General Hospital. Yali menta wangu ono kati mentoringira ddala. So this meant I loved me. I was a good student. Ngajagala nnyo ebintu by'okuyiga. Kati nga nkola ward, he was the in charge of that ward. Kati jukira oba supervising aba student. He could supervise me during health talks, the patients, cannulation, coordinating buno bwana obutonga mbutana gambo ino chikola. Those ebintu byonna byo procedures yajinjigiriza nga atutwali mu relationship yonna.
It was by then a student and mentor relationship. There was nothing like relationship in between.
Did you feel any feeling at that time?
That time there was nothing.
Swear.
I swear.
So
yes.
You could be there like for 2 months, then you go back to school for exams. We shared numbers. After by that, he was a good mentor. He could motivate after the old activities. Nga bagulya ka breakfast, pancakes, chapati like students. Mwenanga mu group, yes.
Era tebakuwa pani mungi.
Nga tufena tutwala wamu. He could just give you money mwegulire. Kati it was
mentor ngoli mulungi. Nga tewali target nze wadde.
There was nothing for that time. Bona bali ba student nga tubaniriza era buli wowe ngo oina banonga yakubagaliza omulimo oyakubagaliza kibakola oina okuba motivating kubanga by then working environment ngola nti mwina workload nene ate boli ku mentoring nga bayala it couldn't be wise for you to be eating while for them they are just seated. So you have to share what we had.
That's a good attitude.
Yeah, so netwerao my course took 2.5 years. We could continue communicating, but his communication was, "Are you reading this? Do you have this?" Every time, wake up and read. Actually, I was like, "Oh, my brother, or my mentor, wake up and read. Are you reading this? Let me share with you with this one."
Go singa after the teaching. Go singa ngokufa kugamba read this. Oba nabalala bonna bwe kyali.
Nabalala we bali. Yeah. So meeting her officially, it was when I joined campus at Aga Khan. That was 2018. Yeah, when I'm seeing Nangariku, one of the clinics in town here. That's when I spotted her. And then I didn't know what she asked me. She said, "Hi, Papa." "Hi, daughter, how are you?" And then
Aga Khan Hospital.
Aga Khan University.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
For her, she was working in some clinic within that person much India. Yeah. So, and then she spotted, and then she was like, "I'm looking for a job to apply to, but I've not got." So I told her, "It's fine. Let me get from this way. If there's an advert I've seen, but I can help you, and then you apply for it." Yeah. So I got to her place, and then I went and applied for her, and then she tried to put, and then she was not conversant with IT. So
era nawo n'omuyambako mu IT. Mentor nga wali versatile.
Actually, my sisters asked me, "Is he your mentor or your boyfriend?" And I was like,
oli babiri nakato yes nakato
the first time we under wanasoka we yambuza mwagala nawo nemugama no she's my friend I came to help her as my friend
omanya abantu abali around already baba bachi sporting ndanga muje munnakira bane bonga bachi sporting
nemugama she's my friend I've just she called me she wants some help nengama let me come and give her a hand yeah so that's how it first ended and then I went so the next time I thought she was now wise and I thought of it nebuuza eyampise papa nganze ngatwaka tuvide nambuuza haizi mama nesakisasamudamu mama ali biki nga sina kubanga wangati ng'omuntu omukulu olina okweteeka mu ekitiibwa agamba mama ali atya I just kept quiet I never responded
tomanyi mama kigwe abuuza
yarabuuza how is my wife she thought I had a wife
wali obuuza ng'oyagala kumanya oba ayina
naye saabiriko nti oba kikijja sikumuwa kitiibwa nga menta wabyali
nti mukyala waali ati oba ali obuuza kumanya nti tayina agambe nti sisirina lwaki tewakaddamu ka asaako oba tewakirowooza
asakirowooza nene ebimu olina kubisuppressing and then you continue with the current situation so after that I think the interviews went on well and then she was given no first the interviews because we are online now we are online then on interviews actually I think she
had no actually when I finished like this he applied for me but I had not got yet most of the papers from the Nurses Council I was missing some papers They had not yet got some papers. They told me license. Yes, so they told me yes. I went there where I did the interview. They told me, Brenda, you passed, but now you're missing some papers. You first wait to process your license, then next time. And we tried next time. I went through. Then I was posted in Entebbe General Hospital.
No mukubina.
There we had started already.
Ani achogera, ani asoko chogera.
The next day after those processes, that's when I spotted her and I asked her. It's because she was asking me, Mama, can you move do you have any? I was asking her, can we move this relationship to another level? And then she first spotted me and said,
abasawonga mukyogera bulala temukikubawo fenoli agambira ddala kakati nkwagala ng'okyogerako ki
can we move to another level? And then she first thought of it, I think. Then I think when she was matching when nafuna call here she thought of it. Okay, shall we meet? So we had to come and
so bamugamba nasoka nakiroza
yeah, she thought of it.
Nakwira nagamba anzikiriza wagamba
anyway I invited him on my graduation just 2 years. Yeah, I was inviting him on my graduation.
Yeah, I know. And the rest is history.
Yeah, and the rest is history.
I know.
So now we started our kaondoka ku byedinisa. Natandika kaondoka ku byedinisa. Mukama natuyamba ne tukavaamu. But marriage has been sijagamba nti bubadde bulungi because that is life.
Kaondoka ku byedinisa katwala banga ki?
We started being together from 2019, 2021 we went for introduction. Yes. Actually, after finishing the university, his bachelor's degree in nursing, for me I went back again. He took me back to school. Anjagala nnyo nno.
Bambi nakuweerera. Bambi naye already wali omaze omuwa abalungu.
Nali muwaddeko ono yekka.
Abukyali okay. Abukyali okay kuba kati already wali omusasude nga talina kyandikasa omuwala we namuweerera ajja kudduka. Kati wa handsome boys, beautiful girls.
Yeah.
Yes. Kati bano abalongo mbafuna almost nga actually naye nakaddayo ku ssomero ne batulookinga down 3 months. Nemaliriza emisomo era nazaala nabo nga ndi ku ssomero.
Bambi.
Okyalaba okwanjula n'embaga.